Hey there, it's Vicki Marie. Today I'm going to take you guys along on a day in the life. I'm going to do a what's in my handbag too. So I'm going to show you guys that as well. I have a load of laundry to get put together and to put away. And I noticed I still had some things in my bag from camping the last trip. And so I finished putting all that away. I got my load of laundry for the day put away. A load of laundry keeps the stress away, or at least it helps.
Cause you want dollar bills right now, but you gotta work real hard. I know you want it to be easy, so let your guard down. And I say, see it in your mind, trust that, have what it takes inside.
I am going to try some of the City Beauty skin veil. I had gotten this, a daily veil, skin perfecting sunscreen. It's a 30 SPF, and I'm just so you guys know, I'm using this on my face. It's so intense when I'm out doing a lot of yard work and stuff. I just put on a little extra layer of skincare, so I'm doing this today. I'm probably not a good role model for what to do out in the sun because, well, I just do like to spend a lot of time in the sun, but it is just so hot. So here I go. I'm gonna go out there and get the lawn mowed before it gets even hotter. Oh man. So, oh man, it is so hot out there. And I came in, I finished the backyard. I just got some ice water, and I'm gonna put some of my Amino electrolyte, my Amino energy in it, because I need a little boost. I am feeling it. So, oh goodness, I used to be able to get that done and it wasn't a big deal. And you know, that's the other thing as we get older. We kind of run out of gas, just like thing. I mean, this is my own fault. I waited too long in the day to mow my lawn. I mean, you really do have to, you know, you really have to plan ahead. Like really, that's why it's, and I thought I did. I checked the temperature and it was just off. So I'm gonna have to look at another source of, because we have a weather station and it's pretty accurate with the online tools that I use. Like I'll use WeatherBug. Sometimes I'll just like ask the Alexa app, you know, to tell me the forecast. She's not that accurate sometimes, or it's not that accurate sometimes. So, oh, somebody told me that, I don't know if this is true, I probably should look it up before I even say it, but I had heard that they were looking into creating the Alexa app, the Amazon app that you talk to. I know everybody knows what that is. I just don't want to wake yours up if it's sleeping like mine. But that they were looking at changing the voice so that you could actually have a deceased loved one's voice. I don't know what I feel about that. Let me know in the comments. What do you think about that? I guess I could see where it might be comforting for some people, and for me, I don't know how I would feel about that. Right now, I just think it's best to keep it the way it is, but you know, that's just my opinion. And I realize that a lot of people don't see the world the way I see it. You know, that's just the way it is. So it's not like my perspective is the only one. And so I'm always interested to hear how other people, you know, how other people see things. So I did call Walgreens and refilled my prescription the other day, and it was a little creepy because the automated voice almost sounded human, even more so than the app, you know, the Amazon app. It sounded really human. Anyway, I'm beat, and I'm just gonna finish up this, and then I've got to go mow the front lawn. So I'm gonna procrastinate a couple of minutes before I go out there, and I'm gonna show you guys what's in my handbag. I asked if you guys wanted to see what's in my handbag. I see people doing this all the time. I thought, I'll show you guys what's in my handbag. Now, I have several. This is just one I got at Walmart, and it is so soft. It's faux leather, but it is so soft and so lightweight. And it my thing is, mine always has to zip up. I want to zip up because I don't want to be thinking about it. And it's got to have a couple pockets inside, but I want basically one big pocket. I don't like purses with a lot of compartments. I just don't. This is what I prefer, and it does have an adjustable strap, and this is my go-to everyday bag. Like if I'm just running to Walmart or places like that. Now I do have some fancier ones, but I don't use a lot. I'm pretty low maintenance when it comes to my handbags. So let me just show you really quick what's in it, because it's very simple. I don't keep a lot of stuff in my handbag. I have a gym bag. I'll show you that another time. But so I have my Michael Kors, you know, kind of wallet thing. I don't know what to call it, but I guess wallet. And it's a good size. And in here, I have all my credit cards and stuff, like health insurance cards. It has a little pocket here. So I've got my health insurance cards and my credit cards and things like that. I have my key fobs. So this is the key to my daughter's apartment or house. So it's a little monkey key. So I got that. I got my car keys. I got the house keys. So I got my keys in there. I have this item, the Neutrogena multi-boost stick, and I love this. So I can kind of refresh a little bit if I want to. That's all the makeup I keep anymore in there. It's it. And that's it for this little piece. And sometimes this is all and it does hold my phone. If I need to carry my phone, I can put it in there. My phone is on. Sometimes this is all I carry when I'm running into the stores. So I keep that in my handbag. I keep a big comb. I have a mask, which I didn't have one the other day. This is the mask that the nurse gave me, and I really like it. So when I went to get my mammogram the other day, and it was actually yesterday for me, she gave me that. I have re-wetting drops for my contact lenses, which I almost always wear, but I do have prescription sunglasses sometimes. I have reading glasses. I have several of these, and they are to clean my camera lens if I'm vlogging, or my phone lens if I'm using my phone. So these little wipes for the camera. And I also have a pair of sunglasses, and these are just sort of run around. They're nothing fancy. I have these. I keep these in there, and I have some, if I'm going out of town or I'm going out, you know, for the day and I want to dress up, I have some nicer sunglasses, but they're all upstairs in my bedroom. And I don't know why I have this in there. I really don't. But it's a magnet clip. I have no clue why this. I think maybe when I went camping, I used this to clamp some cords or something. I don't even know why. I don't know why that's in there. And that's it. That's all I have in my handbag. Well, that was boring. So anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed that. Wasn't as exciting. I had no clue what was in there. But it's pretty simple, you know. So I'll do, if you want me to, let me know. I'll do what's in my gym bag sometime. That might be an interesting thing. And I'm still going to take you guys into my pantry when I get the sub pantry eventually. So, all right. I guess I better go mow the front lawn. Like, I've got to stop procrastinating. It's only getting hotter. So I got quite a bit done today, and I've just got more to do. So I'm gonna just take you guys along. And again, let me know what you guys have planned for the weekend. And I know for dinner, we're having leftover, what is it called? London broil. I just have got to give a shout out to Lori FNM Lifestyle. John had the London broil that I made. I had hauled that it's been a few days ago, and I said I'm gonna try making it. And what I did is I took the London broil and I put it in, I browned it, I placed it in my Instant Pot, and I put a little bit of, what did I do? I had a little bit of cooked oil, and then I put some onions and some Kinder's seasoning and I just used chicken broth. Anyway, I cooked it after I seared it on all the sides. I I cooked it in the Instant Pot for about an hour, and it was about a 5-pound London broil. About an hour in the Instant Pot, and it still wasn't quite tender. I put it in for about 15 more minutes, so about an hour and 15 minutes in the Instant Pot, and it was a very simple recipe. I served it with mashed potatoes and I think broccoli. I was going to do vegetables and roast them and all, but since I cooked the meat in the Instant Pot, I just decided to do mashed potatoes. And I gave that to John. We've never bought London broil, and that was amazing. And I'm going to tell you exactly what John said. He said, Vic, this is really, really good. He said, I could eat this every night. Now, I'm not kidding. He loves roast beef. I mean, that's how his mama cooked, you know. So he's a meat and potatoes kind of guy. Even though he loves doing steak and pork ribs and all of those, he is a meat and potatoes kind of guy. And I very rarely make a roast beef, because in my mind, when I have to do a big roast beef, I have to turn on the oven. I could do it in the Instant Pot, but it's just, I'm so set in the ways that I used to do things when the kids were home that I just imagine turning on the oven and roasting this roast in the oven all afternoon with potatoes and carrots. It just seems like such a big job. So putting this little London broil in the Instant Pot, cooking it that way, he just said, Vic, this is amazing. He said, I said, but even as good as your steak? And he actually said, this is actually better than my steak. He prefers that. So I just thought I would let you guys know, if you haven't tried the London broil, the trick is you got to cook it long enough to make it tender, and it's so easy to do in the Instant Pot. And I'm sure you could do it in the oven if you wanted to turn on your oven and just cook it slow like you would a roast beef. Just cook it slow on a lower heat, but for a longer period of time, and just make sure you have it covered and sealed so you don't lose the moisture. But he really liked it, and we're having leftovers tonight, so that's what's for dinner. And so yeah, Lori, you made John's day. I'm just gonna tell you. I mean, I wished I would have had a picture of the look on his face, because he didn't know what to expect, and neither did I. But I'd seen Lori haul this London broil, and she actually has shown pictures of it on her channel, and I saw it at the store, and I said, I'm gonna get me some. And we will definitely be putting that in our meal rotation. It's perfect. That size of meat for the two of us. I think this will be our third meal from just that one London broil. So if you're looking at meals on a budget, I think we all are. Yeah, don't be afraid to try that London broil, and let me know what you think. So, all right, well, that's going to be my video today. So I hope you guys are doing well. Take good care. I'll see you next time. Bye.
I'm all about the good vibes. I know you're all about the good vibes. Do you know how much I love you? Wanna see you smile. Where's that happy girl that I know with a heart on fire?